Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a tight set of prerequisites and immediate actions to get traction. Start by mastering Excel and SQL because they unlock most entry roles. Learn Python for automation. Once done, grab one public dataset and define a single question to answer. Make sure to clean the data and produce a concise dashboard in Tableau or Power BI. Push your code and assets to GitHub and write a one-page portfolio summary that explains the business impact in plain terms. Now accelerate by building middle-stage credibility. Do a short series of projects that each demonstrate a different skill: data cleaning, simple modeling, and storytelling with visuals. Explain the how and why of your decisions, and quantify impact with before/after metrics like conversion rate or time saved. Simultaneously, network strategically. Request 5 informational chats, secure 2 mentor reviews, and tailor LinkedIn outreach to hiring managers. Make sure to iterate projects based on feedback and record concise case studies for interviews. You're at the finish line. Apply with focus, not volume. Tailor 20 applications with a role-specific resume and a one-line value proposition linking a project to the company's problem. Prepare for interviews by practicing 10 technical questions, 5 business case explanations, and live SQL exercises. During calls, narrate your thought process and ask clarifying business questions. If you don't get offers, troubleshoot, get an external resume audit. Add one high-impact project that shows measurable results, and ramp up targeted networking to uncover hidden roles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.